I'm going to explain the basics of proper shoe care in less than 5 minutes. Whenever it comes to investing in footwear, spending a little bit more money on quality allows you to acquire a pair of shoes that can literally last decades. Proper shoe care is essential to really keeping your shoes looking great and lasting a long time. But even a cheap pair of shoes can look like a $500 pair of shoes with a good shine. But there's a lot of cheap shoes out there that are actually made of plastic. Might look like leather, but it's not real leather. You want to stay away from those shoes. And there's nothing more tragic than being beautifully suited up, but with an embarrassing pair of shoes. How often should you shine your shoes? The simple answer is if the toe cap has become dull, if the shoes are dirty. Don't be afraid to run your hand over the leather to see if it feels dry or brittle. If that's the case, your shoes need to be shined because again, the conditioning is going to help hydrate that leather. After all, a high quality leather is just like your skin. It needs to be hydrated in order to look its best. Proper shoe care really is quite simple. You need a conditioner that's going to hydrate the leather, like the Saphir Renovateur. Then you need a pigmented cream polish. This is going to help recolor, conceal any scuffs or scratches, restore the vibrancy of the finish. And so the pigment is very important. And then a cream polish is also going to help recondition that leather even more and then provide a nice soft shine. A wax polish is going to help elevate that shine even more. It's what you're going to use if you're trying to create a mirror shine on the toe cap, and then those hard waxes help further protect the leather against stains or water. Finally, you need a horsehair brush and some cotton chamois. These are going to help you apply the polish and then buff it off. Once you have the proper kit, shining your shoes is really quite simple. We have an entire collection of videos taking you from that basic shoe shine for like a new pair of shoes all the way to the pinnacle, which is that mirror shine. But it doesn't have to be anything more complicated than simply brushing your shoes with a horsehair brush to remove any surface dirt, applying a conditioning cream, allowing it to dry, buffing it off, applying a pigmented cream polish with your chamois, allowing it to dry, buffing it off, and then applying a wax polish, allowing it to dry and buffing it off. It's as simple as that. So the fundamentals of shoe care are really quite easy. If you're someone that hasn't polished their own shoes, I encourage you, get a few shoe care products like the Saphir Medal d'Air products we sell on KirbyAllison.com and really experience the difference of proper shoe care. So if you're looking to get started, we have a Saphir Shoe Shine Starter Kit that has everything you need. Make sure you like this video, share it to any friends that you think need help shining their shoes. Otherwise, make sure you visit KirbyAllison.com for all of your luxury garment care and luxury shoe care accessory needs, as well as other great clothing accessories like this sovereign grade basket weave tie. Otherwise, I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Thanks for watching.